Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com and this is search button. You can see this is search. Then enter the model number of your motherboard H14410M HV2. Then hit enter. Then you can see H410 HV2. Then click on it. Then click on support. Then select your operating system Windows 10 and 11. Both operating systems same methods to install like Windows 10. So select, then first audio driver. So guys, I'm first download the driver and then show you how to install your system driver. So first click on download chipset Intel Cesium driver. Click to download, and this one also download Intel NF installer. Click to download. Slow down. LAN driver. LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver, and click to download, and then VGA. So you can see there, if show there are two type of driver in the VGA, like graphic card driver. So always try to download latest one. If you are facing some issue in this, so you can install this one. Okay. Then now you can see this is start downloading. So this drivers download in some folder, so you have to check. So click on show in the folder, this icon. After that you come this folder which is downloading. So fully completed, then I show you how to install it. So this is your driver. Okay, so one by one just extract first. So right click and show more, extract all. Okay, and same locations. If you have two other locations, so you can browse and change it, otherwise you just click to extract. It is completed. So after complete it will open, so just close it. Then LAN driver, so right click, show more, and click on extract all. Then same location, same close. Then chipset driver, extract all, same location. So one by one extract the all. Then last Realtek audio. Okay, this is extracted. So this 5 data is extracted. So first open one, just select the right click, run as administrator. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting to your system. So you can see this is Intel SD graphic driver. So might be it will take some time to install, okay, because this is heavy file, heavy driver. So wait few seconds and will automatically close it. So means this is installed, and then close it. Again go to this folder. So this one completed, then this LAN driver, then LAN driver, open one by one, download, and just open and double click and then click on yes. Now you can see this is first extract. Real Ethernet control device. Then next. Now this is installing driver. And then okay, and then finish it. Then back. Then serial means chipset driver. So find out setup, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Then finish next to install. Okay, this is INF update. So this is also for same for chipset. So just this is setup chipset, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Then next, accept, installed. And then okay. Then last one, and this is pending, graphic card pending. So graphic card, just select right click and run as administrator. Nothing. Now you can see this is installing. And it is closed, then done. So you can guys one by one install, find out setup. So this is setup exe, right click, then run as administrator, and then yes. Now you can see this is installing. Then next, and no, and finish. After you install the all driver, after that restart your system.